gentlemen, welcome to the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago. We've just landed at Piarco International Airport in Trinidad. The time here 10 minutes after 1 o'clock. This is 1 hour ahead of the time in New York. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft comes to a stop and the seatbelt sign is switched off. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated. For your safety, you must leave all your hand baggage in its stowed position. The aisle and the exit must be kept clear. Once we've stopped at our sign gate, you will be invited to disembark. Do remember when leaving to take all your belongings, and please be very careful when opening the overhead lockers, as items may have shifted during flight, and these could fall, causing injury to you or to others nearby. If you are traveling on and require assistance, please check with our ground agents in the terminal. We wish you a safe and pleasant onward journey. Smoking is prohibited until you exit the terminal. To those of you who may be holding connections with other Caribbean Airlines services, we advise you to follow the signs for connecting passengers prior to immigration. Should you require a boarding pass, there is an agent at the connections desk to assist. And to the passengers connecting to Tobago, you must clear with immigration and customs officials here, as it is your first point of entry into Trinidad and Tobago. A photo ID must be presented before boarding. Duty-free shopping is available to all landed passengers. Purchases must be made before proceeding to the customs official. This is the end of Caribbean Airlines Flight 5214 for today, and it was indeed our pleasure serving you. We most certainly enjoyed your company. On behalf of Captain Eric Dowd and the entire in-flight team, we thank you for flying with Caribbean Airlines. We wish you all a very pleasant afternoon. Once again, thank you and goodbye.